Hello foodies! Today we're going to make delicious chicken broth from scratch. First thing first, get yourself a whole chicken and remove any impurities. Use as much of the chicken as possible, including the bones, to get the best flavor. Add 3 slices of ginger, 1 bulb of garlic, 3 bay leaves, and peppercorn, then add water. If you're using an Instant Pot, use the high temperature sear mode for 1 hour or simmer on the stove for 2 to 3 hours. And voila! Your chicken broth is ready. It's perfect as is with just a bit of salt and pepper. But feel free to add some chopped green onion for extra flavor. As for the chicken meat, dip it in my seasoned salt and enjoy it on its own. And the best part, you can store the leftover broth and meat in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze it for later use. Personally, I like to separate the chicken meat from the bones to store. This way, I can easily use them for various dishes like chicken salad, chicken porridge, chicken noodle soup, or chicken anything. Oh, and don't forget my magic seasoning salt. It's just a simple blend of salt, black pepper, gochugaru, and ground sesame seeds. It's not just for the chicken though, so go ahead and sprinkle it on your eggs, your veggie, your meat, and even on your ice cream. Trust me, it's that good. Happy cooking! 안녕!